A COVID vaccination scandal has erupted in Philadelphia with allegations of vaccine misuse and questionable financial arrangements. The city has abruptly ended its relationship with Philly Fighting COVID, a group that vaccinated thousands at the convention center. Health reporter Stahl is here now with new details. Stephanie?
Well, Yuki, the city insists the vaccination mission will not be derailed by the blow-up with Philly Fighting COVID, amid claims the group used vaccine improperly. Plus, there are fears that the privacy of thousands of people who signed up with the organization could be in jeopardy. The city calls the allegations disturbing.
I do understand why people are upset with that. We were very upset as well. That's why we've terminated the relationship. Obviously, in retrospect, it wasn't good for us to have a partnership with that organization.
Philly Fighting COVID had been one of the largest vaccine providers in the city, giving doses to thousands at the convention center. The city abruptly terminated its relationship when the group switched from a nonprofit status to for-profit, enabling it to sell personal information gathered from tens of thousands of people who registered on its website expressing interest in getting the COVID vaccine.
The organization is saying that they have no intention of selling that information. They haven't done that yet. We're working with our law department to see if there's any way to make sure that that doesn't happen.
There are also allegations that Philly Fighting COVID misappropriated vaccine, which is also now being investigated. The city says it is guaranteeing that the thousands of people who received their first dose of vaccine at the convention center will get their second from the city.
I was really just sitting in my apartment, frankly doing nothing.
Andre Doroshin is the Drexel University grad student who started Philly Fighting COVID, first creating face shields, then expanding to COVID testing, and on to providing thousands of vaccinations at the convention center.
The group describes itself as a bunch of college kids wanting to help out. So why was it ever a good idea to enter into a partnership with this group and entrust them with thousands of doses of vaccine?
I understand why people would be concerned about that. And this is, in retrospect, we should have been more careful with this organization.
The founder of Philly Fighting COVID issued a statement on Twitter apologizing for a mistake in their privacy policy. They also insist the information will not be shared, saying in part, "We never have and never would sell, share, or disseminate any data we collected, as it would be in violation of HIPAA rules." Now, anyone that has been vaccinated by Philly Fighting COVID or signed up with them should register online with the Philadelphia Health Department. Yuki?
Stephanie, thank you.